Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make carrot soap for skin moisturizer and brightening skin. So we start by peeling the carrot to remove the outer skin. You can use a kitchen knife to peel off the skin or fruit peeler. With this process, we are able to remove every form of dirt from the carrot before using it for the production of our carrot soap. Carrot soap is a natural skincare product that can be beneficial for various skin types, particularly for those looking to brighten their complexion and moisturizing their skin. Carrot soap improves skin texture, leaving it smoother and softer. After peeling the carrot, rinse in a clean water to make sure the carrot is very clean. Next, we begin to grate the carrot with a kitchen grater. So I'll be using the smoother part of the grater so that the carrot can come out very smooth. Carrot soap reduces the signs of aging. That is, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promotes youthful appearance. After grating the carrot and it becomes smooth, the next step is to squeeze out the juice from the carrot. So I'll place a cheesecloth over a bowl, transfer the carrot into it, and squeeze out the juice from it. Carrot soap also helps in healing minor skin injuries, such as cut or acne scar, due to its high vitamin content and soothing properties. After squeezing out the juice from the carrot, I'll set aside and move to the next step of the production of our carrot soap. Here I have my glycerin-based soap base, and I'll be cutting them into smaller bits. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And to all my returning amazing viewers, I want to say thank you so much for all the love and support. God bless you. After cutting the soap base, we are going to melt the cube using a double boiler method. Stir until the soap base dissolves completely. Now that the soap base is completely dissolved, next is for us to begin to add our carrot juice. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of carrot juice to it and stir together. I'll also add to it half tablespoon of carrot juice and stir together once again. I will list out all the measurement of ingredients used for the production of this carrot soap in the description area. And the last ingredient I'll be using for the production of this carrot soap is vitamin E oil, which is essential for maintaining skin health. After adding the vitamin E oil to it, I will stir together properly. Next, I will transfer the carrot soap solution into a mold. So I'll pour into a mold and leave to solidify for about 4 hours. Or you can put in the refrigerator for quick solidification. And it solidifies quickly within an hour. So after transferring them into a mold, I'll set aside for it to solidify. Once it has become solid, this is how our carrot soap looks like. Next, I'll be removing them from the mold. You can see that our carrot soap came out very nice, and this is very easy to make at home. And so if you find this very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Now that we are done with the production of our carrot soap, let's put it to test. So I rub it on my palm, add some water to it and wash my hands with it. This soap is suitable for dry and sensitive skin types. As you can see from this video, as I wash my hand with the soap, it comes with great lather. And I guess you'll be trying this out. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.